everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and I have another unboxing for you. This arrived the other day. It's a little padded envelope, which, I think they're getting so good at shipping, and then somebody's going to say, all mine arrived crushed, and yeah, I know, it happens. Get your money back if they arrive and they're not in good shape or there's a problem. I don't know if you noticed during these videos, but I'm taking a really good look at the canvas. I look for creases in the adhesive. I look for markings on the canvas. I look for hairs in the canvas that aren't mine. You have a certain tolerance for your own hair, I think. Okay, so the toolkit is a white boat with a funnel, some bags, some wax, some tweezers, and a single drill pink pen. And that's all you need. What else do you need, right? This is my watercolor chicken. Isn't he handsome? He looks great. There's a lot of colors. I see at least 30 colors on the inventory sheet. There's a lot of background, I can tell. A lot of white. And he's a full drill square. Got wrapped around a foam core, very nice. He is a 30 by 40 full drill square. I will put the link in the description along with the inventory information. I have a lot to do inventory on tonight, so I'll be busy sitting in front of the TV counting bags. It's important to do the inventory so that you don't wait a couple months until you're ready to begin and then find out that you have drills missing. You don't want to go back to them that late. So like any package you get in the mail, take a good look at it, make sure everything's there before you put it away to do another day. I think there was some of these chickens that I looked at. I'm in farm country, so I think someone's going to love this. Where they put as a description, fancy cock. Now, we know they meant chicken, but I had to giggle. You have to giggle. So here he is. He is a pretty fancy fellow. And it's going to be fun. Oh, I stuck to the plastic. Oh no, don't do this. There we go. Slow and steady wins the race. Always. Which means don't do what I just did and freak out and bounce it up and down. I could have ripped the plastic and then... So what do you do if you get paper or plastic or something stuck to your canvas? The answer is baby wipes. Baby wipes will remove, if you just have to be gentle and patient and keep wiping at it, will take anything off of the canvas as well as restore the adhesive, unless you've actually ripped the adhesive off. That's not good. There's still other things you can do to fix it if your adhesive is gone, but gently wiping with baby wipes should restore your canvas. I've gotten plastic stuck on there. I haven't gotten paper stuck on there yet, so knock on wood. I can't reach the wood. There we go. Knocked on wood. Baby thinks someone's at the door. So there you go. He's a fancy fellow. I really like this one. Looks like a lot of fun. If you like my videos, take a minute and hit like. You can subscribe to my channel. And I promise I have a lot more coming. So if you ring the little bell by subscribe, you'll see that you get notified when my videos come out. Thank you everyone for all your support. My channel's growing. Our Facebook group is growing. We're all having a lot of fun, and it's just the nicest people, which is, you know, for me, that's what Facebook and YouTube are all about, is having nice people in your life. And that's important for everybody's happiness. That's it. You have a great day, and happy diamond painting, and you take care. Bye-bye. She's still wet.
I'm glad she's riding on your lap.
Someone's getting a bath when we get home. Shirley's hiding down here. Come on, stop eating that grass. Oh, now she's a country dog. Dirty girl.